A dog's life. कष्ट भरा जीवन. Poor people living in big cities live a dog's life. A double-edged sword. दो धारी तलवार. Your double dealings will prove a double-edged sword one day. To play ducks and drakes. अपना धन बर्बाद करना. Bhima is an idle fellow playing ducks and drakes with his father's property. On the horns of a dilemma. दो मुश्किल हालातों में फंसना. I find myself on the horns of a dilemma. Dog in the manger. मतलबी आदमी. Stop being such a dog in the manger and let your sister ride your bike if you are not using it. Sword of Damocles. सिर पर लटकी तलवार. The aggressive policy of America is a sword of Damocles hanging over Iraq. Fair play. ईमानदारी. I believe in fair play. From hand to mouth. बहुत गरीबी में रहना. Most of the people in India live from hand to mouth. Fair weather friend. स्वार्थी मित्र. I am looking for a loyal friend, not a fair weather friend. Fool's paradise. काल्पनिक स्वर्ग. Don't live in a fool's paradise. Try to know the hard realities of life. Foul play. धोखेबाजी. I suspect foul play in your dealing. Every inch. पूर्ण रूप में. My father is every inch a gentleman. Elixir of life. जीवन का अमृत. Has he been taking the elixir of life by any chance? To make both ends meet. किसी तरह से गुजारा करना. The poor work hard but they cannot make both ends meet. Enough and to spare. बहुत मात्रा में. Even the poor man in Germany has enough and to spare. To take an exception to. आपत्ति करना. We take serious exception to this type of remark. To see eye to eye. सहमत होना. She does not see eye to eye with me on this issue. To eat one's word. वादा तोड़ना. Whatever may happen, Vandana will not eat her word. Over head and ear. काबू से बाहर. His elder brother is over head and ear in the debate. Easy money. रिश्वत. One who accepts easy money cannot sleep in peace.